In this one, we don't really have pigeonholes, or we have one big pigeonhole at the moment. It says 7 ants are standing on a square of length 100 centimetres. So what we can do is we can decide to break that into 4 squares, so 50 by 50 squares, and then we've created 4 pigeonholes. So there are 4 pigeonholes, or 4 squares, and we really should say what we're doing. So I would maybe add something here. Let's divide the square into 4 smaller squares of 50 centimetre by 50 centimetre. So now we've got 4 pigeonholes. Now by PHP, there must be at least, if there are 4 squares, there must be at least 5 ants. If there are 5 ants or more, then if there are 5 ants or more, then at least 2 must be in one of the squares, one of these squares. Alright, so now if that's the case, if I look at 2 in one of the squares, then the furthest apart they could be, look at this one, would be there and there. That'd be the furthest apart they could be. So I would do some working and saying, using Pythag, what would the distance apart be? Put D there. So I know that it would be the square root of 50 squared plus 50 squared. And that is going to give you something like 70.7 centimetres. So you know you're kind of on the right track and you don't have to divide any further. So it's approximately equal to 71 centimetres apart. So you could say, so therefore, since I've got 7 ants, so with 7 ants, at least 2 are within 71 centimetres of each other. So at least 2 are within 71 centimetres of each other. So I'm just repeating that last line.